Upgrading your windows is one of the best ways to improve your home's energy efficiency, comfort, and overall value. However, the installation process plays a crucial role in ensuring you get the most out of your new windows. For homeowners in Kendall, professional window installation offers a range of benefits, from improved durability to enhanced protection against Florida's unique weather conditions. Here are the top reasons to choose professional window installation for your Kendall home. Professional expertise and accuracy. One of the biggest advantages of hiring professional window installers in Kendall is their expertise and attention to detail. Professional installers are trained to handle all types of windows, including energy-efficient options, impact-resistant models, and custom designs. They understand how to take precise measurements and perform proper sealing to ensure a flawless installation. Poorly installed windows can lead to drafts, water leaks, and decreased energy efficiency. Professionals bring years of experience to the job, reducing the likelihood of installation errors. With their skills, you can feel confident knowing your new windows will function correctly and provide long-lasting performance. Improved energy efficiency. Florida's hot and humid climate makes energy efficiency a top priority for Kendall homeowners. Windows that are professionally installed create an airtight seal that helps keep cool, conditioned air inside your home. This reduces the strain on your HVAC system and can lead to noticeable savings on your energy bills. Modern energy-efficient windows are designed to reduce heat transfer and block harmful UV rays, which can help keep your home cooler and protect your interiors from sun damage. Professional installers ensure these windows are fitted and sealed correctly, so you can fully benefit from their energy-saving features. Protection against harsh weather. Living in Kendall means dealing with Florida's unpredictable weather, including intense heat, heavy rains, and hurricane threats. Professional window installation ensures your windows are secure and ready to withstand the elements. Impact-resistant windows, in particular, require specialized installation to deliver maximum protection during hurricanes and storms. Professional installers use high-quality tools and techniques to ensure a proper fit and seal, preventing water intrusion, air leaks, and structural damage during harsh weather conditions. By choosing professional installation, you're not only improving your home's comfort but also enhancing its resilience and safety. Saves time and reduces stress. Window installation can be a complex and time-consuming project, especially if you attempt to do it yourself. From removing old windows to ensuring precise measurements and proper installation, the process requires careful planning and execution. Hiring professional window installers in Kendall saves you time and eliminates the stress of tackling the job yourself. Professionals handle every aspect of the project, including cleanup and disposal of old materials. They work efficiently and minimize disruptions to your daily life, allowing you to focus on other priorities while the experts deliver a seamless installation. Enhanced home value and warranty protection. New windows can significantly increase your home's value and curb appeal, making it more attractive to potential buyers. Professionally installed windows not only improve your home's aesthetic appearance but also enhance its energy efficiency, security, and overall performance, all features that buyers value. In addition, many window manufacturers offer warranties that require professional installation to remain valid. By hiring certified installers, you ensure that your warranty is protected, providing peace of mind and coverage for any future issues. This added protection makes professional installation a smart and worthwhile investment. Conclusion: for homeowners in Kendall, professional window installation offers a wide range of benefits, from expert precision and energy efficiency to improved weather protection and enhanced home value. While DIY window installation may seem tempting, the risks of improper installation can lead to costly issues down the line. By choosing professional installers, you're investing in your home's long-term comfort, safety, and performance. Whether you're upgrading to energy-efficient windows or preparing for Florida's storm season, professional window installation is the key to ensuring a successful and stress-free project.